guys, how's it going? Today, we are going to be unboxing an iPhone 5 in 2020. So I ordered this last week from eBay because I don't have this color yet. I believe this should be the silver. I just wanted to have it through my collection. As some of you may know, I have all the way from the iPhone 2G to the 5S, and I have the SE first generation. So it's practically identical to the iPhone 5S, other than the fact that it has single flash and otherwise also Touch ID. It's not has the same layout on the bottom, headphone jack, power button on the top right, and wow, okay, you put me right in here. Okay, let's take a look. Shall we take a picture quick and shut down? I think this may have a battery problem since it was at about 50%. Power button does feel a bit mushy on this one. Otherwise, buttons feel fine. Well, this is just a really quick unboxing of the iPhone 5. Thank you guys for watching. It's an 8 megapixel camera, and we'll see you in the very next video. Bye.